Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to use plus symbol as concatenation operator in Java. So let's get started. As already explained in the previous sessions that we can use this plus symbol as an addition operator. Right? In one of the previous sessions, I've explained about this using this plus symbol as an addition operator. That is, this plus symbol can be used for adding two numbers. For example, 5 plus 4. We can add this 5 plus 4. The result will be 9. Or you can add some variables like a plus b. For example, this variable a is storing some numerical value and b is also storing some numerical value or data. Then what will happen? This plus will act like an addition operator. This is what I covered about the plus symbol till the previous session. Okay. So I was using plus symbol as an addition operator to add the numbers, whether it is, decimal numbers or non-decimal number, doesn't matter. We can add them using this plus symbol. But what if, but what if I use this plus symbol with strings? Okay. So here the operands for this plus symbol in these examples are 5 and 4, right? 5 is one operand, 4 is one operand. Here plus is an operator. So this, if these operands are numerical data, then plus is acting like an addition operator. What if the operands of this plus symbol are some string text? For example, Arun is a string text. Now here some space. This is also a string text. Okay, surrounded by double quotes is nothing but a string text in Java. And here if I say like this. Now here this plus symbol will act like concatenation operator. When you are dealing with strings, when you are using this plus symbol with string text, then plus symbol will no more act like addition operator. It will act like which type of operator? Concatenation operator. Okay. So it will append, simply it will append the text. So it will start from the left side to the right side. First left side, what is there? Text is there. Text will be appended with another text here. This will become Arun space. This Arun space text will be now appended with the remaining text, that is Motoori. Arun space Motoori. Okay. Will be the result. So here concatenation is happening. Here text is getting appended. Here numbers are getting added. When the operands are numbers, then plus will act like addition operator, will add these two numbers. But here plus will not act like addition operator, rather it will act like concatenation operator where it will attach the text. Okay, combine the text. Okay, that is what is concatenation. So let me give some practical demonstration. Okay, let me take you through the practical demonstration so that you, with different examples, will get more confidence on how to use this plus symbol as a concatenation operator in Java. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Inside the main method, first I'm going to write something like this. Okay, first I'm going to write string. Okay, first name is equal to Arun. Okay, then string last name is equal to Motoori. The next one. Okay. Next one. String full name is equal to first name plus the space plus last name. Now if I print this System.out.println, if I print this full name, what will be printed? The concatenated string text will get printed. Here first name is having Arun. This Arun will be concatenated with space. It will become Arun space. Arun space will be concatenated with last name, that is Motoori. Arun space Motoori will be stored into the full name. When I print it, Arun space Motoori will be printed. You see, Arun space Motoori, the concatenated text got printed. Okay, fine. This is one example. Let me comment this. Now let me go with another example. Directly I'll write the print statement, system.out.println. Here I'll write Arun. This is a text, string text, right? This string text. If I use plus symbol with this string text, what will happen? Automatically this plus symbol is going to work like concatenation operator. Okay. Here I'll append this with space plus Motoori. Again the same thing. Arun space Motoori will be concatenated using this plus symbol. Here plus symbol will act like concatenation operator. And if I run this code, Arun space Motoori will be printed. Fine. This is also good. Next example. For example, if I say int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 4. Okay, int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 4. And here if I say system.out.println, Okay. Hello. Hello is a text plus A plus B. What will happen in this case? Here, when I was using in the previous examples, right, when I am using this plus symbol as a concatenation operator, here all both the sides of the operands. Okay, left side operand of this plus symbol is a text, right side operand is also a text. Here for this plus symbol also, left side is a text, right side is also text. It's concatenating. But here in this example, for this plus symbol, left side is text, right side is a number. A is holding a number, right? So here, A is nothing but 5 and B is nothing but 4. So what will happen in this case? Hello plus A. What will happen? Here place will act like addition or concatenation. There's no way of addition, guys. If one of the operand is a text, then this text will be appended with number. So hello 5. It will become hello 5 text. Now hello 5 text will be appended with 4. So hello 5 will be appended with 4. Will it come hello 9? No. Hello 54. Okay, if you're able to get this output, you're good to go, guys. Hello 54. Here, first hello text is appended with 5 number. So this hello 5 became a text. Complete this has converted to text. Now hello 5 text appended with the remaining number 4. So hello 54. Okay. So this is another example. So I can also explain like this. System.out.println. If I write hello plus 5 plus 4, what will happen? You may think hello 9. It's not correct. Hello 9 won't be printed. Here, hello 5 will be appended first. Hello will be appended, text will be appended with 5 first in the first iteration. Hello 5. After that, hello 5 text will be appended with 4. Hello 54 will be the output. So what I need to do to get hello 9 here, instead of hello 54, if I want to get hello 9, what I have to do? For that, you have to surround this 5 and 4 like this with circular brackets. Okay, what will happen if I surround this with circular brackets? So before this, hello text gets appended with these numbers. This 5 and 4 will be added first. Okay, this will be given the more priority. Circular brackets will be given more priority than this plus operator. So here, inside the circular brackets, this 5 plus 4 operation will be done. That is, it will be converted to 9. Then hello will be appended with 9. So hello 9 will be printed this time. You see, hello 9 will be printed. Right? This is how we need to understand. Now, last, okay, we almost came to the end. For example, if I want to write int A is equal to 5, int B is equal to 4, okay, then I would like to write system.out.println, system.out.println. Here I'll write the sum of, okay, the sum of, this is nothing but the text. The sum of is nothing but the text, string text. I would like to concatenate this with A plus and plus B is plus A plus B. What will be the output? Try to guess the output is. Here sum of is a text. String text will be appended with A first. What will happen? In the first iteration, what will happen? The sum of is there. Okay, this sum of text is there. That will be appended with A. With the help of this plus symbol, it will be attached with A. That is 5. So in the next iteration, it will become the sum of 5 text. Okay. Till here it will become sum of 5 text. So entire thing will be string text. Now this sum of 5 text will be again attached with another text and space and space. So it will become sum of 5 and space. Till here it will become sum of 5 and space. This is the string text. Now this particular text will be appended with or attached with B, the value 4. So it will become the sum of 5 and 4. Till here it will become sum of 5 and 4. After that, it will be appended with this text. That is, the sum of 5 and 4 text will be appended with space is space. Till here. Till here it is done. After that, this will be appended with A. That is 5. It will become the sum of 5 and 4 is 5. Till here it will be appended. Okay. Till here it will be concatenated. Okay. Then this will be concatenated with B finally. B is 4, right? So here this is the text. This text will be concatenated with B. That will become the sum of 5 and 4 is 5 will be appended with 4, 54. Is that right? No, right? This is not the correct thing. If I print like this is the wrong thing. The sum of 5 and 4 is 54 is wrong. How to overcome this problem? You see, the sum of 5 and 4 is 54 is getting printed. How to overcome this problem? Here I need to surround this a plus b with circular brackets. Then what will happen? Before this, the sum of 5 and 4 is, till here it is fine, okay? So these parts will go off. These parts will go off. The sum of 5 and 4 is, before appending or attaching or concatenating this particular text with this a or b, the inside the circular brackets, a plus b will be calculated. That will become 9. Now, the sum of 5 and 4 is 9 will be printed. Okay, in this case, the sum of 5 and 4 is will be concatenated with the result of this a plus b, which is there inside the circular bracket. That is 5 plus 4 is 9. So this time it will come. So whenever you are writing this kind of statements, don't forget to provide circular brackets. The other way is you can write int sum is equal to a plus b outside. Okay, outside only you calculate a plus b and store it to sum. Now how to write this print statement? Simple. System.out.println the sum of, okay, the sum of plus a plus and plus b is plus sum. It's very simple. I don't have to do the circular brackets and all. This is very simple. Okay. This is another way. This is also another way. So either people will write like this. For doing the operation here inside the print statement, you have to provide a circular brackets. But if you have already done the operation outside and stored already into the variable, directly you can write like this: the sum of plus a plus and plus b plus is plus sum. That's right. Then you will get the proper answer. You see, the sum of 5 and 4 is 9 is getting printed. So, hope guys you understood how to use concatenation operator, the plus symbol as concatenation operator in Java. Okay, when the operands on the left side and right side operands, both the operands are numerical data, then plus symbol will act like addition operator. If the operands of this plus symbol are string text, then this plus symbol is going to act like concatenation operator instead of addition operator. Okay, so that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.